stayed in the Lynn Suite in the main manor of Giraffe Manor. Let's take a tour. The room has a comfortable double bed, which can be converted into 2 twin beds. There's a coffee and tea station and filtered water provided in the room, along with giraffe food for your morning wake-up call. The room has an ensuite bathroom, which features double sinks, a large shower, and a standalone bathtub. While the Lynn Room is a ground floor room, it is accessed from the second floor of Giraffe Manor, so you will need to be able to go up and down stairs to access the room. You also have access to your own private outdoor veranda with 2 separate seating areas that's perfect for morning giraffe feed. Rates for the Lynn Room start at $1,168 per person per night sharing. Rates at Giraffe Manor are fully inclusive and include your arrival and departure transfers, as well as transportation around the local area. All meals are included, and beverages including house wine, house soft drinks, house beer, and house spirits are included also. Laundry and wireless internet access are included, as well as access to the nearby Giraffe Center.